Keramik und Zirkon.
Dass man die auch auf, wie gesagt, auf hochglanzpolierter Oberfläche.
Ja, also das ist ja so.
Liegt da noch was rum? Liegt da noch was rum? So ein, auf dem Tisch?
Allerleuchte, wunderbar scharf. So, jetzt kommt hier aus dem Computer meine Krone raus. Und was mich immer gestört hat bei dem bisherigen System ist, dass die... So, das kann man sich hier wunderbar...
Das war ja die eine Karte, ja. Haben wir denn die Businesskarte?
Hello, we are here at the International Dental Show in Cologne, and I am here with the founder of Aesthetic Press, Jörg Müller, and this company was founded in San Francisco in 2005. Now, Jörg, would you like to tell me a little bit more about the company and the story behind it?
Sure. Thank you, Julia, for the nice introduction. Yes, Aesthetic Press was founded in San Francisco in 2005, and we have developed a workflow for technicians. And my goal was to make it to create a system that is easy to use. As most of our clients, they want to have something that is reproducible. They want to have a consistent quality and possibly on the very highest level. So I turned all these attributes into this workflow that I have created and turned it to a system for pressable porcelain. And our motto, our tagline is efficiency through simplicity. And as there is the saying from Leonardo da Vinci, and he says that simplicity is the ultimate sophistication.
Okay, that's good. You mentioned simplicity. Can you demonstrate or explain how your products are simple?
Yes. First of all, what I started out with is creating this one ingot for all colors. That is something that I created in 2005 at the time when we were still bombarded with very, very large systems by our competitors. So I created in 2005 the one ingot for all shades, and that creates the simplicity because as opposed to other systems with a lot of different materials that are very difficult to understand and also economically are very expensive, I created this one ingot for all shades. So that gives us the opportunity to take all cases and invest them in one ring and then determine later on through the staining technique each of the colors needed for this particular case. So that eliminates all the excess inventory, and it is easier for each of the technicians to create a great restoration.
So, do you have anything new that you'd like to share with us with the products that you have here at the show?
Yes, absolutely. We have something completely new at this show, and it's our approach into the CAD/CAM area. We have created now a prototype of a wax blank, and this wax material is 100% pure wax, as opposed to the other so-called wax blanks that are actually filled with composite, and which are not quite as nice to carve and to add on. And since this here is a whole entire integrated system, we have here our injection wax that works perfectly. If you want to translate, for example, a diagnostic wax up into a definite restoration, you need this wax for a wax injector. So the same wax is being used now for our Occlumaster, the posterior wax patterns. And these are awesome because they work very, very nicely when we warm them up with a hairdryer, and we can use these nicely to make full crowns that will be then used for our pressable system. Now, using the same wax now in the CAD/CAM area, now we have the opportunity when the computer mills this crown, we can then modify our occlusion as we like, and this is a major improvement as opposed to the resin-filled blanks. So this is our brand new invention now for the IDS, and everything leads to the last final conclusion that we press over either zirconia or metal, which is then the final conclusion in our system.
Okay, thank you very much, Jörg Müller, and I wish you a lot of success.
Thank you very much.
Okay, good luck.